Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I received a fun little PR package. This is from Lawless and this is Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Tinted Balm Stick. And I'm so excited about this set. Because I'm already a fan of the Lawless. This is the Forget the Filter, basically lip mask. So this is an overnight lip mask that I have recently fallen in love with. So I was a little bit excited to receive this PR package because I now have all the shades of the lip balms along with this Forget the Filler lip gloss. So if you're interested in seeing me swatch all of the colors of the Forget the Filler lip balms as well as the lip gloss, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first of all, I had picked up this Forget the Filler, this lip mask on a whim at Sephora, and I've really fallen in love with it. I'm wearing it right now, but it feels so amazing. It has a little bit of a tingly feel, but I do feel like it sort of smooths out my lines. It definitely plumps my lips up a bit. I leave this by my bedside table. I always like to apply it before bed, and then I feel like I wake up and my lips are very hydrated, smooth, especially during the winter months. I don't like having chapped lips, and so I'm always trying to wear things that are a little bit more hydrating. I also find that for somebody who has more mature skin and lips, that I find it to be a little bit more youthful when they are hydrated and plumped up a bit. So this, if you have not tried it yet, is amazing. Next, I have all 6 colors of the Kiss of Color. These are right up my alley, you guys. These are a hydrating, moisturizing lip balm, and they come in the most gorgeous colors. So each of the lip balms come in these really nice cases. I would say these are pink or rose pink color. So pretty. First color I have to show you is Pink Marshmallow, and this is, I just swatched it here, a very clear color with a slight little pink undertone. This is going to be for somebody who's looking for just a nice lip balm, something hydrating, but they don't necessarily want a bunch of pigmentation. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lips. This is the shade Pink Marshmallow. Love that name so much. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a pink undertone to it. Just really super pretty. It's going to depend on the pigmentation of your lips already, but it feels very cushiony and plumping on the lips. It also is thinner in texture, so it's not going to be very globby. It just feels like it's kind of gripping the lips, but it is not kind of too slick where they slide right off, if you know what I'm saying. There's a few of them, I like them, but they just don't feel like they're staying on the lips. That is not the case so far with the Lawless. Okay, next we have Baby Doll, and I would describe this as sort of like a Barbie doll pink. You gotta love it, but remember these are sheer, so it's just gonna give me a light pink touch to my lips. It is really pretty, but in the tube here you might be like, ooh, little bright pink. So let me swatch this for you. And this is the shade Baby Doll. I actually love this one because I almost feel like it has a touch of lavender, like a teeny bit of lavender in here that I tend to gravitate towards. This definitely has a little bit of a retro feel as well, that kind of Barbie doll pale pink from the 60s. Gotta love it. Next, I have the shade Lover. And this is going to be your classic plummy rose tone, right up my alley. I love those kind of plum colors. And this is the shade Lover. Next I have the shade Posey, which is a rosy mauve color. I swear these were like created for me. These are all of my sort of favorite colors right here. And here is a swatch of Posey right here. And this is the shade Posey. Next up I have Georgie. This is going to be a medium taupe nude. Basically this is my kind of nude where it's not going to wash me out. It's got a little bit of depth to it. And this is the shade Georgie. Honestly, these feel amazing on the lips. When you're doing a bunch of lip swatches, your lips tend to get sort of dry, a little bit irritated, but these are so moisturizing that I'm not finding that to be the case. And we only have one left, and this one is in Sugar Plum. And this is a universal warm berry tone. I'm literally loving every single color here. Again, these are my kind of colors. This is Sugar Plum. Is that so pretty? Love that. And this is the shade Sugar Plum. And here is a swatch of all six. Right over here, you may not be able to see it much. This is Pink Marshmallow, basically a clear, hydrating, lip plumping balm. Then next to it, we have Baby Doll. Love it. It's a pale, soft pink. Lover, which is a plummy rose tone. And we have Posey, which is going to be a rosy mauve tone here. The perfect nude here, this is Georgie, and it's a medium taupey nude. And then of course coming in at the end is Sugar Plum, which is the universal warm berry. So literally these are just like all of my favorite shades. Love every single one of them. Okay, so if you are somebody who loves Chantecaille lip cheeks, I think you're gonna love these Lawless lip balms. These ones feel a tad bit more like a balm, like a little bit grippier. They've got a slight tingle in here, but nothing too intense. I don't like the ones that are like burning my lips off. I'm forgetting the name, but there was one, I felt like it had the name like Lip Injector. I do not know, but I had put it on my lips and it was literally burning them so much that I was like, I have to get this off. So although I do want to plump up my lips a bit, I don't want that kind of sensation. I really like something that's just gonna kind of plump them up and feel a little bit sort of plushy and cushiony, and these feel fantastic. So let's go ahead now and try the Forget the Filler lip gloss. I'm so excited about this product as well. Again, I'm somebody who loves a little bit of a glossy lip. I love lip gloss. I love these kind of tinted balms. I'm really liking these because they do have a touch of pigmentation. As you could see, they are going to be sheer. That's what lip balms are all about. But I definitely feel like I'm getting some pigmentation with each of the colors. And then those particular colors are completely right in my wheelhouse. So excited about those. Okay, we're gonna give this gloss a try. And again, I'm somebody who loves Dior lip maximizers, but this Lawless brand is a clean beauty brand. And I want to see if you can see the wand here. It's definitely going to have like a little curvature here that's going to sort of grip those lips. Really cool. Whoa, that feels so good on my lips. The way that that wand applies the gloss feels so good, and I don't know if you can tell, but this is ultra shiny. It feels very much like a treatment, so it does not feel like your typical kind of lip glosses. It feels like a treatment going on the lips, similar to the sleep mask, but this one just feels amazing. And I don't know if you can see, again, I have small lips, but I definitely feel like I'm getting a little plumping sensation on my lips. Actually loving the way that this gloss looks on my lips. This is going to have a bit more tingle than the lip balm, so I'm definitely feeling this more like a lip plumper, but it also feels like a treatment. So loving that. It includes shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and then their proprietary maxi lip ingredient. Okay, so I just discovered that the lip glosses come in different colors. So this one is in Rosy Outlook. I was just going to say I really love this. I thought it was more of a clear gloss, but it is described as a soft baby pink. Absolutely loving that. And then I just have to show you over here, there's several other colors. I'm actually excited to pick up a few of the other colors. I really am liking the way that this feels. I also really enjoyed the applicator of this lip gloss as well. And as far as favorite colors, unfortunately, like literally every single one of those was just kind of my color. I really liked Georgie for a nude. I often gravitate towards mauves and berries and kind of warm pinks. But this warm taupe nude color in Georgie is just sort of like my perfect nude. It's not going to wash me out. So I really liked that color. I also really love Baby Doll, and that's the one that's that sort of pale pink. I know it looks a little retro, but I absolutely love it. And then POSEY, Lover, Sugar Plum, those are all right in my wheelhouse. Like those are the kind of colors I wear all the time. So if you enjoy these sort of tones, I think you can't go wrong with any of those colors. And then as I said, the Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Mask. This is really amazing. I love this. This is something I had picked up on a whim. So super excited to have another pot. And I wanted to say thank you to Lawless Lawless for sending over this little PR kit. Made me so excited because these are the kind of lip products that I gravitate towards, and I love every single thing in this kit legitimately. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and lip swatch, and I will be back with another video soon.